now what I wanted to do here, got some extra stuff here. I'm gonna actually silence that section here. Okay, so I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna go functions and silence. All right, so I won't need this fade anymore. Okay, F. I got my fade tool. Now if you press option and you click, it's supposed to get rid of the fade. Yes, that's right. And actually I don't need this note because this note is in this section. So I'm going to silent this note as well. But I'll make it silent from here. And I'll just fade this in so it's got its level of naturalness. I think I'll fade it in up to that position. Fade in. Okay, and if I listen to that alone. Okay, together. Yeah, those two will work. Okay, and we'll rename this. Rename it as the solo. Okay, and this is in bar 88. Okay, oh no, I accidentally did it for both of those regions. So I'm gonna Command Z. Do that again. There we go. Okay. And I will just cut here. Change gain a little bit. Get this. And now we will press equals to get a new audio region. All right, great. So that's created a new file.